Hey guys, I'm back with another one. So this video, I'm showing you guys what I use for the week. And I did skip a week last week. I was kind of busy, so I'm back to it this week. So here you could just see me pouring it into the bottles. I'm using this sifter it came with. I got it from Amazon. You get 12 bottles for $9. I will leave that link in the description below. And I just use a measuring cup to pour it into the sifter. And then right here, I use 4 of these cucumbers. I use a tablespoon or teaspoon of ground turmeric. I also used 3 handfuls of mixed greens, baby greens, or spring mix, as well as a thumb size of ginger. So I usually peel the ginger with a spoon. I grate it down and I add it to the blender.